Good evening from Beyond One's event. Very pleased to welcome Dr. Haytham Riahi from Circa Biotech here in Dubai. Thank you very much. You know, I'm very specialized in sustainability, ESG, and aerospace and aviation.
Sounds like music to my ear.
All right, so tell me more about your innovation.
Okay, so Circa Biotech is UAE-based company. And we come with...
You're French.
Innovation. I am.
Yes.
And we are specialized in sustainability. This is what we do. So what we do is we are turning food waste into jet fuel, sustainable aviation fuel, using insects.
Yes.
Industrial
Insects.
insect farming. Yes, correct. Insects.
All right. So what about the scalability of it, basically?
So our facility here in Al Ain is able to process 6,000 tons a year. Our plans is to move to 70,000 tons a year. However, globally, insect farming is moving, fast-growing industry. In 2022, we produced 2.2 million tons of insect oil, and this is exactly what we are turning into feedstock for SAF.
All right. What about partnerships? Basically, you are here in the UAE. It's a self-funded startup, bootstrapped.
It's bootstrapped.
It is basically patented
Yes.
globally. You decided
US.
In the US. You decided to be here in the UAE, and you have partnerships. Tell us more.
Yeah, so our first partner is ADNOC. So we worked with ADNOC for a first project where we developed with them out of this insect oil, a drilling lubricant, a biodegradable drilling lubricant. And then the second project, and this one, is how to turn insect oil into feedstock for sustainable aviation fuel. We have also BP that already invested in our company in a very early stage. And now we are also partnering with Chevron in order to build a pilot here in the UAE this year, 2025. The objective of this pilot is to certify our technology. So we are CORSIA RSB certified to be a SAF, a sustainable aviation fuel, and we will be flying a plane from Dubai to Amsterdam using our oil.
All right. And you believe that the certification process will be soon?
Yeah, actually we started the certification process, so it's an ongoing process. It's like any certification process.
But it is
time.
lengthy.
It takes time, so it takes between 9 to 12 months. However, on the 12 criteria of the CORSIA RSB certification, we are very highly graded.
So you think that the certification will be quick?
No, there is no doubt on it.
There's no doubt.
There's no doubt. It's just a matter of time.
All right. The biggest challenge for SAF is basically supply chain.
Absolutely.
All right. So this is the biggest. That's exactly why we see SAF so far to date very scarce. All right. And many people believe that the real solution, SAF is very good, but the supply chain is very scarce and limited. Then that's why people are focusing more on the eSAF. So
Correct.
What can you tell us? How is your product going to cover the supply chain and make it smoother?
Two things
for,
here I wanted.
For SAF.
Yeah, two things I wanted to clarify here. So the process, the refining process of getting SAF out of used cooking oil, the HEFA process, is the less expensive and the less complicated among all the other alternatives. Mm-hmm. However, as you mentioned, there is a limit of supply in used cooking oil.
Yeah.
Another thing, used cooking oil is very fractioned. So in order for you to collect, you have to go with small trucks, restaurant by restaurant, collecting used cooking oil and then bring it back, treat it, and then bring it back, which makes the cost very, very high. Our solution, it's first suitable for the HEFA process, so the less expensive, the less complicated process, unlike the eSAF. Then we are aggregating it in one place, so we don't have this fractioning of the used cooking oil. Beside this, where we are getting our oil is from transforming food waste with the insects. So we are diverting food waste from the landfills. In the process, we are saving 217,000 tons of CO2 equivalent.
Absolutely.
So our carbon footprint is negative, and we are not competing for arable land with products like palm oil or other vegetable products.
Approximate date for our flight UAE to
Q1
Amsterdam.
2026.
Dr. Haytham, thank you very
Thank you
much
so
for being
much.
with
Thank
us
you
today.
for having me.